Happy Friday, Facebook. Hope you guys are having just a wonderful, amazing Friday. You know, it's the end of the day, Friday for me. Actually, if I were to be honest, it's not even Friday for me anymore because it's 1:52 a.m. It's almost 2 a.m. It's actually Saturday for me right now. But for you guys, I'm sure for most of you guys, it's still actually Friday. So like I said, happy Friday. Anyways, I just wanted to make a side-by-side comparison and just essentially compare this software, Sticky Reviews, to this other software called Morevago. All right. So let's just make a side-by-side comparison to these two different softwares, and you can tell me which one you think is a better deal. All right. So this is going to be Sticky Reviews versus Morevago. I'll let you guys on Facebook, you guys can be the judge and just tell me your honest opinion. What do you think is a better deal? All right. So they both do the same thing. So they both actually add these little sticky reviews right here to your website. So they both just create these little sticky reviews and add these sticky reviews to your website. So that's what both of them do. They just create these little sticky reviews. So you can get started in minutes here, easy install. You just copy and paste the pixel on your website, no coding required. You just upload your real reviews, from real customers, and then you just launch and increase your sales. So that seems pretty simple. With Sticky Reviews, it's easy and fast. You can get started in just 10 minutes with Sticky Reviews. It's a really easy and fast setup. So you just essentially install the Sticky Review pixel, the Sticky Review code on your website. You add your real reviews from your real customers, and then you just launch your campaign. So both have a very simple and easy process to actually get started. All right, so Sticky Reviews helps you get higher conversions. You can convert more website visitors into signups and purchasers. You can save on the cost to acquire a customer, so your customer acquisition cost goes down. You'll increase your visitor trust, so your visitors will actually trust you more. And social influence, seeing other visitors taking action creates fear of missing out. All right, so here you're also going to increase your sales. All right. So Morevago has a 14-day free trial. Looks like Sticky Reviews also has a 14-day free trial. So they both have a 14-day free trial. All right. So Sticky Reviews has this automation feature where you can automate getting reviews with review links, and you can also keep your online reputation positive. All right. So Sticky Reviews has this feature and functionality. Morevago does not. So Morevago does not have that functionality of the actual review links, which allows you to automate. Morevago's all manual. You're going to have to do everything all manual, and you can't actually filter out positive reviews from negative reviews. Sticky Reviews, however, they have this review link feature where you can create review links, and then you can essentially just, on an automation, you can send those review links out to your customers, and they can give you a real review on how they feel about your products or services, and that's a completely automated process. You can set up automation rules so that only reviews that meet your actual automation rating, you know, your 5-star rating or your 4-star rating, will actually get automatically added to your campaign. No manual process whatsoever. So Sticky Reviews is going to save you more time than what Morevago is. It's going to help you automate getting reviews, and it's also going to allow you to have that factor of reputation management. All right. So Sticky Reviews also has this concept of exit pop-ups. So Sticky Reviews has exit pop-ups that you can load on your website. They kind of look just like that, where whenever a user goes to exit your website, this little exit pop-up can pop up, and it will actually highlight your best reviews that you have. So it gives you a chance to actually re-engage visitors that are leaving your site. So it's a new feature just released by Sticky Reviews. It's great because, like I said, it helps you re-engage users. So whenever they try to actually leave your site, that exit pop-up is going to pop up, and you can re-engage that user. And an engaged user is a converting user. So the exit pop-ups, they really let you highlight the best reviews, because you can get a lot of reviews and those reviews that you're getting, they could get hidden, you know, inside this campaign, or maybe your website visitor, they just don't notice them because they were actually looking at the content of your website and not just reading your reviews. So maybe they miss your best review. So the exit pop-up allows you to actually highlight that best review and get those best reviews back into the eyes of your visitor before they leave your website. And that's just proven to actually increase conversions even more. All right. So Sticky Reviews has this feature. Morevago, they don't have that feature. So to recap so far, they both allow you to add these completely customizable sticky reviews to your website where you can get real reviews from your clients. So they both do that. Sticky Reviews has this automation process of these review links, so you can automate getting your actual reviews, and you can actually do the reputation management right then and there, and you don't have to worry about negative reviews getting on your website, and you don't actually have to waste your time you know, uploading the reviews yourself. Like I said, you can just like for us, we just put in the review link, and after your 14-day free trial, we send you out an email letting you know your trial's up, and we include the review link, and then you can just give us a review, and that will get automatically added to your website. So Sticky Reviews has those review links. Morevago does not have those review links. Sticky Reviews has these exit pop-ups that allow you to actually re-engage and get an even higher conversion and highlight your best reviews. Morevago does not have those exit pop-ups. All right, so now let's just get down to price, and let's get down to price and what they cost. So Morevago has a starter plan. It's $14.99 per month. You get one domain with that. You get unlimited sticky reviews, unlimited websites. It is branded with the Morevago logo. You don't obviously get any review links because they don't have review links. You don't get any exit pop-ups because they don't have any exit pop-ups. All right, so let's look at Sticky Reviews. Sticky Reviews is $15, so it's 1 penny more. So it's 1 cent more, but you get to install it on 2 domains. So you get an extra domain. You get unlimited sticky reviews, unlimited visitors. You actually get multiple different elegant designs that I'm going to show you in a little bit. You get a lot of different designs for your different sticky reviews. You do get custom branding, so there is no sticky review branding whatsoever. Morevago makes you keep their branding on. Sticky Reviews doesn't have any branding whatsoever. And you do get 1 review link with Sticky Reviews, no review links with Morevago, and you do get 1 exit pop-up with Sticky Reviews, no exit pop-ups with Morevago. All right, so now they have another plan. It's the Plus plan. It's $19.99 per month. You get the exact same thing as you get with the starter plan, but they let you remove the Morevago logo. All right. So this $19.99 a month plan is pretty much the same plan as this $15 a month plan, because this doesn't have this. You can put your own branding here. Like you can see, this is branded to tier 5 here. All right. So right now, Sticky Reviews looks like you're saving $5 a month, and you're getting 2 features that do not exist that are really actually going to help you save time and actually get even more conversions than you would with Morevago. So let's look at Morevago's next plan. It's $24.99 a month. You get 5 domains, unlimited sticky reviews, unlimited visitors, no Morevago logo. So let's look at Sticky Reviews. It's also $25 a month, so same price, but you get 10 domains, so you get twice as many domains. You get unlimited sticky reviews, unlimited visitors. You get multiple elegant designs, no sticky review branding. You get your own custom branding. So Morevago doesn't allow you to put custom branding. They just remove their own branding. You can't add your own personal brand there. You just don't have the Morevago brand. So that's another feature that they don't have. They don't have custom branding. So we let you have custom branding. You get 5 review links, and you get 5 exit pop-ups that you can enable. All right. So Sticky Review. So Morevago doesn't have any exit pop-ups. They don't have any review links whatsoever. All right. So now the agency plan for Morevago, it's $197 a month for the agency plan. $197 a month. What are you going to get with that? Well, it looks like you're going to get unlimited domains, unlimited sticky reviews, unlimited visitors, and no Morevago logo. So let's go back to sticky reviews. Sticky reviews, the agency plan is $47 a month, so it's like $150 less than Morevago. It's $150 less than Morevago. You get unlimited domains, unlimited sticky reviews, unlimited visitors, multiple elegant designs. You get your own custom branding. Not only do you not have to deal with the sticky review branding, because there is no sticky review branding, but you get to put your own custom brand. That means if you're using these for your clients, you can put your own brand and a link back to your website and your services on your client's webpage, and you can actually get clients from your client's website while you're helping your clients get more clients by installing sticky reviews and increasing their conversions. So you can't do that with Morevago, plus you're gonna pay an extra $150 a month for no reason whatsoever. So you also get unlimited review links. How many review links do you get with Morevago? Well, you don't get any, because they don't have any way for you to automate getting the actual reviews and manage your reputation online. You get unlimited exit pop-ups. How many exit pop-ups do you get with Morevago again? Oh yeah, that's right. You don't get any, 0. That's how many you get, because they don't have exit pop-ups. They don't allow you to actually re-engage with your visitors and have even a higher chance of increasing your conversions. So you don't get any of that. So all in all, there's a side-by-side comparison. Now I did want you to know that Sticky Reviews is also getting a brand new UI and beautiful UI update. You're gonna have many more features of so your review links are getting a much beautiful design. So you're gonna have a very beautiful professional design for your review links. That's all getting actually updated. Your exit pop-ups, you're gonna have essentially 6 different fully customizable exit pop-ups. So it can completely match your brand, completely match your color scheme. The same thing with your review links. They're completely customizable to match your brand, match your color scheme. And you're getting a great set of clean new looks for the sticky reviews themselves, which are also fully customizable. Morevago does not have customizable sticky reviews. I don't know why they copy our name with sticky reviews, but it's no big deal. So you're able to choose from 5 different beautiful designs, and you can completely customize those. Morevago lets you choose from 2 different designs, and they're not customizable. So Sticky Reviews is fully customizable, and I'm just going to show you here the inside UI of Sticky Reviews. Here's the actual inside UI of Sticky Reviews, what the new design is looking like. There's the actual Sticky Reviews. This is how you create the exit pop-ups, a nice little WYSIWYG to create the exit pop-ups here. Here are the different styles of exit pop-ups, completely fully customizable, up to the background image that you're seeing here, the background overlay that kind of just hides out the rest of the website. Everything's customizable here. You can see it has a nice, beautiful, here's one of the exit pop-ups, another one of the exit pop-ups. You can choose any one that you want. Even you can collect leads from the exit pop-ups, where whenever somebody goes to leave, you can get their email address and deliver them a coupon code before they actually leave your site, and have their email address so you can market to them. And I'm not a marketer, so I wouldn't know, but I would assume that's probably something that's important to you guys, is to collect email addresses. What would I know? So different looks for the actual exit pop-ups, how they look. Different looks for the sticky reviews, all completely customizable. The inside of the UI, you can see it's very nice and clean, very elegant, easy to use, nice and beautiful UI on the inside, creating your campaigns. This is what the inside of the new actual design looks. So sticky reviews, you can already use it, you can already sign up, and you can use it just fine. And we're just about to update the entire UI to make it look even more beautiful. All right. Another thing that you should probably know is Sticky Reviews is actually powered and backed by Tier 5. So it's backed by over 30 full-time software engineers that service and maintain that software. That's why it has more features than Morevago, because It's backed by a professional development firm. It's not built by a freelancer. So it's not built by some freelancer on Upwork. It is actually built and backed by a professional software engineering firm with over 30 full-time software engineers. And it has a crazy roadmap of a lot of different integrations that are going to be coming soon as well to Sticky Reviews. So I'm going to let you guys decide which one you think is a better deal. Which one would you rather go with? Would you rather go and overpay by $150 a month for Morevago and get less features? Or would you rather go with just a $47 a month agency plan and get a lot more features with Sticky Review and know that you're not going to have just some freelance developer that's supporting your software? Know that you actually have a professional team of software engineers that have literally built multi-million-dollar companies for their clients. You're going to have a professional team of software engineers that is there to actually support and keep the software updated, keep it actually relevant. And you're going to see pretty soon, within the next 3 months, we're going to be doing another one of these videos where it's going to be a side-by-side comparison of Sticky Reviews and useproof.com. So very, very soon, like I said, within the next 3 months, a little bit after the new year, you're going to be seeing another side-by-side comparison between Sticky Reviews and useproof.com, and then I'll let you decide as well which one of those softwares do you think is the better software and the better bargain for your hard work dollars. Maybe you guys don't work really hard for your dollars because you're just affiliate marketers and you just want to throw your money away because you get it so easily. But I do want you to know, even though you don't work super hard for your money, you can still save it and you can reinvest that extra $150 and probably make even more money. We don't want you guys to arbitrarily just overpay for your software for no reason whatsoever. So if you're the type of person that just wants to arbitrarily pay extra money, $150 extra a month for your software, just go ahead and send us the extra $150 and we'll put a bunch of kids through school. How about that? We'll get a bunch of kids who aren't fortunate enough to actually get a proper education and a basic education, or even get food on their plates at night, and we'll take that $150 that you just want to throw away by paying for an overpriced software like Morevago, and we'll just help those kids out if that's what you want to do. Or you can just keep the savings yourself and do whatever you want with that $150. So anyways, it's up to you guys. You guys make the decision which one you think is the better software. I'm just going to leave this video here for you and let you guys decide. All right. So you guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.